the different merchandise and some of the same product as the farm shop. It's all quite expensive, but you would expect that at a farm shop. The fudge, I didn't buy any that Saturday. Sorry. And the sauces are amazing. I had a spicy mayo before and I loved it. You can buy champagne, apple juice with chili, candles, perfume. I like the artwork on the wall there. The prices are quite reasonable. Let me know what you think. This is the actual pub. We never went in there because the queues outside were too busy, but you don't really need to. This is the hop section of the chop and hops. I'm part of the tent. They sell vodka cider. That's the chop part. They sell loads more meat than that. Loads of merchandise for hops and chop.